Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do like a eyeshadow tutorial because I haven't done one in such a long time, and I thought I would do something more bold rather than something lateral. So I thought I would do something like a sunset-ish eye today. So a lot of like oranges, purples. Let's get started. So I did already do my foundation and I primed my eyelids. I just use a concealer. I always use a concealer on my eyelids, and I set it with powder. And yeah, so I've got a look in mind, but I have no idea like how it's gonna turn out. I'm just gonna roll with it and I'm just gonna see how it goes. Okay, so we've zoomed in now. Right, so in today's video I'm going to use the Morphe 35 O palette. Absolutely love this palette. I haven't used it in so long. And I'm also going to be using the coloured Raine Queen of Hearts palette. So I'm going to be using the purple in this and probably the orange. First thing I'm going to take is my Morphe 35 O. So okay, I'm going to start in the crease. So I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to go in with this colour here, this orange shade here. I really wish these shades had names on them, but they don't, so it's such a pain. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to blend that into my crease. I always start with my crease so that the other colours we put on top do blend in together more smoothly. Okay, so once you've blended that out, make sure it's nice and seamless. I'm going to go in this shade here. So it is a little bit darker than that one. So we're going to take that in. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that just below. So it's pretty much all about blending, all about mixing different shades. I feel like the more shades I use, the more blended my eyeshadow looks. I did learn that actually from Jaclyn Hill, because Jaclyn Hill's like the blending queen and she's always using so many different shades in a palette. So I've kind of like taken her method and I'm kind of doing the same thing, and I understand what she means now. By using different shades actually makes your eyeshadow look more blended. Okay, so like that, so it is a little bit darker. Now I'm going to take a full-on orange. I don't know which one to use though. I'm going to go in with this orange in the corner, so you're pretty much staying like in this section here. I'm going to take this orange here and I'm going to concentrate that just in the crease and on the outer edge. Oh, the orange is pigmented. So I don't know how this is going to turn out at all, but I have got like an image in mind as to what I want to do. Okay, so I'm going to take the coloured Raine Queen of Hearts palette and I'm going to take... What should I take? I'm going to take the matte... Where is it? This one. I'm going to take the matte purple. I'm going to put a tiny bit of that on the outer corner as well. Just where I put the orange, I'm going to put a little bit of that on the outer corner. Just so it blends easier. So I'm going to pat and blend just on the outer corner. Like that. And then I'm going to take... Now I'm going to take the purple in this palette and I'm going to put that in the centre of my lid. Oh, that colour's pretty. It's a MAC pigment in Melon and this is like a little travel size. So I thought I would use this as well. Okay, I'm going to actually go in with more orange. More of the orange shade, this shade in the corner, I'm going to put that in the crease. If you don't have any of these palettes, I know a lot of people do have the 35O palette, but if you don't have the coloured Raine palette, just use any like purple that you have, because I'm just using the purples in this palette, so just use whatever purple you have. Okay. This dark brown, and I'm gonna put that on the very outer corner, just to deepen it up a little bit, because I felt like I was just lacking some depth. I'm going to go in with just the purple shade on my lower lash line. Actually, first I'm going to apply some black kohl liner in my waterline. To apply some mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Use my House of Lashes Iconic Light Lashes because they've become like my new favourites. So I'm gonna apply those off camera. I think I'm going to use the Gerard Cosmetics Skinny Dip liquid lipstick. It has like it's like a purplish nude, which I never actually wear. So with the NYX lip liner in mauve, so let me line my lips. Okay. Okay, so I've lined my lips. Hopefully this colour looks okay. I don't know, I haven't used it in a long time. It's not my typical nude that I would go for, but I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think it looks okay? But if you wanted to, you could always go for like a straight up nude. What I would go for, it would probably be like a peachy or a pinky nude, like my usual nudes. I'd be like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London or Abu Dhabi, something like that. They're like my favourite nudes. But I thought I'd do like a different nude. I mean, it's not really a nude. I can't really call this colour a nude. It's more like a pinky purple-ish colour. And I just noticed something. You can see, you know when your eyelashes dry, but you can see the glue that hasn't dried clear and it dries white? When that happens, just take a black eyeshadow or a black eyeliner, take a felt tip liner, and just go over the top of it. Because for some reason, sometimes the glue just doesn't dry clear, and you can see that white residue, and it's so annoying. But yeah, just take a felt tip liner, they're just the easiest to use for me, and just go over the top. Like that. And now you won't be able to see the white glue. Today I was feeling something, I don't even know what to call this. I mean, I'd say I was like a sunset eye, but it doesn't really look like a sunset eye. It looks more like a gold purple eye, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I do like the way it turned out, and I will be trying new things all the time, new eye looks and everything like that. So yeah, I do like the way it turned out. I still don't know about this lip. It's growing on me. I think it looks fine. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to do something new. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.